Hey, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the missing names from two different lists. So let's say, for example, I have a list of names right here, and I have all the names listed here. But now I want to know for list two, what names are currently missing because they should have the same exact number of names, but they don't. And you can see there's three missing. So that's what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. I also have another tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to find duplicate names. But this one, we're just going to focus on missing names. So what I want to do is make sure I have one list that has all my names and have another list that's probably missing some names. Then I'm going to select any cell where you want to put this formula in, and we're going to do equals. And we're going to do a filter formula because we want to filter out the data of what names are missing. So I'm going to use filter, then I'm going to put a left bracket. So now what we want to do is select the range of cells for the list that has all of our names in there. So I'm going to do that for list one since all the names are in here, and I want to compare list two to list one. So again, I'm doing my filter formula. I'm going to select the range of cells for my full list of names. Then I'm going to do my comma. And now we're going to do a count if. And so basically what I'm going to be doing is comparing, hey, if which of these names are shown on here and then which ones are missing. So we're going to do count if left bracket. Now I'm going to reference list two, so the one that's missing the names. I'm going to select that range of cells here. Then I'm going to do a comma, and then we're going to compare it against the full name of, the full list of names. So we're going to select that one right there. Then I'm going to put my right bracket, and then I'm going to say equals 0. Then I'm going to put my closing bracket, so my right bracket, and hit enter. So now as you can see, it automatically pulls up the three names that are missing. So again, this is our formula. I'm also going to write it down below if you want to use it, but we're using the filter formula along with the COUNTIF formula. Let me know if you have any questions. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you want even more tutorials that show some really cool tricks to do things in Google Sheets, feel free to join our school membership. I'm going to quickly show you that. It is just a fun place where you could check out some cool tutorials. I'm adding tutorials every week, as well as we do live monthly challenges, and it's just a great supportive community of spreadsheet creators. So if you want to join us, come join us. I'd love to have you in there. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.